Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting ripe but firm apricots. Remove pits and cut each fruit into halves or quarters so they break down evenly when cooked. Use 1 kilogram apricots, halved and pitted, for about 4 250 ml jars of jam. Keep prepared fruit in a bowl with 30 ml lemon juice to preserve color and acidity. Sterilize jars and lids by boiling for 10 minutes and keep them hot until filling. Measure 1/4-inch headspace in each jar before sealing to ensure a good vacuum. Place the prepared apricots in a heavy-bottomed pot and add sugar by weight. For reliable setting, combine apricots with equal weight sugar, typically 1 kilogram fruit to 1 kilogram sugar. Add 30 ml lemon juice to boost acidity and help pectin set. Bring to a steady boil, stirring frequently to prevent scorching, and simmer until the mixture reaches 104 degrees C or thickens and coats a metal spoon. Skim foam with a spoon, then ladle hot jam into jars, using a funnel to avoid spillage. Wipe rims clean, place hot lids and screw bands finger-tight, then lower jars into a water bath prepared with boiling water covering jars by at least 25 mm. Seal jars with hot lids and process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes at sea level, adjusting time for altitude if needed. Remove jars and cool upright, untouched for 12 hours. Check that lids concave with a sealed vacuum. Label with date and store sealed jars in a cool, dark place for up to 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.